Print my free Daily Grind Goals insert that can be found in the description of this video. The printout has the materials you'll need, instructions, and measurements. Trim the sections down, leaving a 1/16 inch to 1/8 inch border. You can eyeball this now and fix it later if you need to. It really doesn't need to be exact, but you do want them to be the same size as each other, as they'll be back to each other on the insert. Next, trim your acetate to 2 3/16 inch by 4.5 inch. The sizing on this one is pretty accurate, so you'll want to get pretty close to these measurements. If it looks longer than you think it needs to, that's because of the holes placement. If you trim it too short, it won't look right once you punch the holes. Line the acetate in the center of a happy planner punch and then punch your holes. If you didn't get it perfectly centered, trim down the top or the bottom as needed. I like to decorate my boxes at this stage while it's easier to maneuver them around. You could decorate them differently or the same. I'm opting to keep them the same because I like the consistency. I'm using a mix of Mr. Pen highlighters that I will link in the description below in case you love these colors as much as I do. I also use a 6-inch ruler to help me keep my lines straighter. If you've seen my other videos, I usually use a stencil for creating straight lines with highlighters, but I haven't found the perfect stencil that fits these boxes yet. And the printer paper that I'm using is the closest one I've been able to find to the Daily Grind paper. Most of my copy paper is more of a bright white, rather than this cooler, bluer paper that's in the planner. I'll link to the one I'm using, but if you found a better match, please comment and let me know because I'd love to get it. It's a pretty close match, but it's not exact. If you're not familiar with Daily Grind planners, I have a video that walks you through my very first planner and how I set it up. I'm also a Daily Grind creator, so you can get 10% off your purchase if you use my code 10Amanda, which I will also link in the description of this video. Now I'm going to apply a removable adhesive to the back of these little inserts. I'm using removable adhesive so I can just remove these printouts and add new ones for the next month. I'm going to put my acetate insert into the planner now. This will help me line up the printout boxes with the ones that are already in the planner. Once I've got that one on, I'm going to take it back out and then line up the other printout. Now I can put the insert back in until I'm ready to fill out my goals. I hope this insert helps you save time. Thanks so much for watching.